So when we come to the studies of the Oral Tantra, it's really like the study of medicine in the Western science, where you have the different specialty of the different parts of the body, right? So exactly the same way in Sowa Rigpa, in the Oral Tantra, you are given like very precise and detailed classifications and the ways to treat them. It says that the Oral Tantra are for the, a little bit like the slow ones, where you need specific instructions on details. And that's where the Oral Tantras are giving you the details. That's why there are so many classification and specifications. To study the Oral Tantra, you just get a grasp of the 5 ideas, right? So it always starts with the cause and conditions, and then it gives you the classifications, right? And it gives you the signs and symptoms, okay? And then it gives you the methods of the treatments. So if you see them as these 5 branches, then slowly learn them, and then it becomes clear for you. And each of these specific is important when we want to do more targeted treatments. Okay, if you know the specific, you zoom into that particular disorder to give its treatment. Okay, but sometimes the general treatments are good. So understanding in a general idea, what is good for lung, what is good for chipa, what is good for pekin, right? Because sometimes diseases or disorder are not so simple. So it has a lot of complication, a lot of combined issues, a lot of NEPAs involved. Then a general treatment is actually good because then it gives you kind of pacification of the disease in a general way. Because if we go into detail, then it involves so many different things, then it gets complicated. Yeah, but if you know the issue specifically, then you go to the specific treatment. If not, then start with the general treatment. Just like in medicine, we have Agar 8 and Agar 35. Okay, Agar 35 is a general treatment because it treats all the support system for all the other organs. That's why it has 35 ingredients. But if you know it is a lung in the heart, for example, then you go for Agar 8. That is a specific treatment for the heart. Okay?